Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today I thought we would do the unboxing of Roccabox. This is the April box. So this is a monthly subscription. It will cost you £10 a month plus £3.95. Delivery, you normally get around about 5 or 6 items. They do have previous box on their website, which normally costs about £10. They also do edition boxes of £25. If you sign up for a Roccabox, you will get a 10% discount on your first box. I will leave the link down below if you want to give it a try. So it comes in this pretty pink box. These boxes I feel don't change at all. I think it's like my third or fourth box that I've had, and they've always been this kind of colour shade of pink with the white writing. So let's have a look. Inside we have our leaflet. This will give us details of our products. And here are some products here, some goodies. Good, let's have a look. Okay, as you know guys, I need to put my glasses on so I can see. So the first thing I can see is a Nexus Nutrif Encapsulate Serum, which is £24.99. That's for a 60ml, and you can buy that at www.boots.com, and the product we're talking about is this. Looks pretty cool. Not sure you're going to pick much up of this. So it says enriched with concentrated elastin protein. This encapsulated serum formula reveals healthy looking hair throughout the day, replenishing up to 14 days of loss of proteins in just one use. There's a bit more to read, but I'm not going to bore you with everything. Let's have a little spray or squirt. That's what it comes out like. Ooh, feels nice. Oh, it smells lovely. Wow. Not sure if you're supposed to put on dry hair. Okay, give that a go. Look forward to trying that. Second item we have are the Mepsi Gel Nail Stickers. These would be £9.95 for a full set, and you can get them at www.mepsi.co.uk, and that will be these. So I'm a fan of these stickers already, not this particular brand. In fact, I've got one on now. Sometimes I wear the whole set, sometimes I just put them on periodically. But I get mine off Amazon for something like £6. They're alright, quite like them. These do have green. I'm not a huge fan of green, but I'll try them. Might as well. Right, let me see, what does it say about these. Discover the latest trend in Korean beauty. Gel nail stickers made from real gel ingredients and designed by nail professionals. Okay, well, definitely give them a go because I'm already into them, so it makes sense to try. Okay, next we have, this is the Lord & Berry Shoulder Eyeliner Pen. Retails at £16. You can get this at www.lordandberry.com/UK/. This is a full-size product. Lord & Berry Shoe Eyeliner Pen features a Japanese calligraphy inspired that draws precise, thick and superfine lines. So let's have a look. That's very thin. Oh wow. I like that. It's no dragging. Look how thin this line is. Very precise. It's not as dark as I like. So we'll give that a go. See how we get on with that. Oh, I can't get it back in there for some reason. Okay, and then next we have this. This is a Vitamask Jade Face Mask. £5.99. It is available at www.vitamasks.com. Obviously this is a full-size product. Feeling unbalanced, something not quite right, or maybe Mercury is in retrograde. Our 4-in-1 Jade Mask is here to balance the mind and soothe the skin. So definitely give that a go. And looks like our last item. This is Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water, £16, and you can get this at www.balanceme.co.uk. Featuring a blend of hydrating, anti-aging and calming ingredients, this Flash Cleanse Micellar Water is the perfect quick cleansing solution for all skin types. I use micellar water to remove my makeup anyway, so I'll definitely give that a go. Let's have a quick smell. You guys know I have to smell everything, right? Okay, there's nothing really there. So that concludes my Roccabox for this month. Oh, also you get 30% discount off the nail stickers should you wish to purchase them, which is quite a good deal. I might actually have a look and get some. Okay, so hopefully you liked my unboxing of Roccabox. The months seem to come around so quickly. Don't forget, if you want to sign up for your Roccabox, get 10% off. Follow the link that I'll leave in my description. Until we speak again, have yourselves a great evening. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye for now. Bye.